Hi students, problem number 4. A boat rows 16 km up the stream and 30 km downstream, taking 5 hours each time. The speed of the current. The speed of the current here means what? The speed of the water current. Okay, speed of water. So now first upstream we will write. For upstream, it rows how many kilometer? Distance traveled is equal to what? 16 kilometer. So distance is equal to 16 kilometer. And the time taken is 5 hours. So the time taken is 5 hours. And the speed, relative speed for upstream is, upstream means what? Against the current. Against the current. So this must be equal to what? The boat, speed of the boat, SB minus S water. Okay. So now we write the equation. Time T1, time is equal to distance divided by speed. So this is equal to, distance is what? 16 kilometer. So 16 kilometer divided by SB minus SW. SB minus SW. And this T1 is also equal to what? This is also equal to 5 hours. So I can write SB minus SW. This speed is equal to distance 16 divided by 5. And this is equation 1 for upstream. Similar equation for downstream we will write. So downstream is along the current, along the water current. So boat is going along the direction of the water current. So here the distance T2 is equal to 30 kilometer. And the time in each case is 5 hours. So T2 is also equal to 5 hours. And the relative speed downstream must be equal to sum of the speeds SB plus SW. So here T2 is equal to D2 divided by S2. So this is equal to 30 kilometer divided by SB plus SW, or SB plus SW is equal to 30 divided by 5, that is equal to 6. 30 by 5 is 6. 6 5s are 30, and this is equation 2. So for upstream the equation is SB minus SW is the relative speed of the boat, that is equal to 16 by 5. For downstream, the relative speed of the boat is SB plus SW, that is equal to 6. Now I will add equations 1 and 2. Okay. So adding equations 1 and 2. The left hand sides are what? SB minus SW. So SB minus SW plus SB plus SW, and right hand side if you add 16 by 5 plus 6. So 16 divided by 5 plus 6. Now SW minus SW get cancelled. SB plus SB is what? 2SB is equal to 16 by 5. So 16 LCM I take. So 6 5s are 30 divided by 5. So this is equal to what? 46 divided by 5. So 2SB is equal to 46 by 5. Therefore SB is equal to 46 divided by 5 into 2, that is equal to 46 by 10. So this is equal to 4.6. So SB, the actual speed of the boat is equal to 4.6 kilometer per hour. We have found the actual speed of the boat. Okay. But what is asked here? The speed of the current, that is water. The speed of water we have to find. So we can take this equation SB plus SW is equal to 6. So from this equation 2 implies SB plus SW is equal to 6. So SW is equal to 6 minus SB. 6 minus SB is equal to 6 minus 4.6. So 6 minus 4.6 is equal to how much? Therefore, SW is equal to 6 minus 4.6 is 1.4 kilometer per hour. So this only is asked in the question. The speed of the water current is the speed of water is equal to 1.4 kilometer per hour. Okay. So which is the right answer is option C. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Okay. So for upstream and downstream, two equations we have written. Then we have added the two equations and eliminated one unknown and got the value of first the speed of the boat. Then by substituting the speed of the boat in the second equation, we have arrived at the value of the speed of the water current. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.